thickness is exactly within tolerance here.
Good. Let's log that and check the tensile strength next.
The thickness is within tolerance at this point.
Good. The surface roughness is also acceptable according to the specifications.
Reroute the hydraulics through the secondary manifold.
Confirmed. Rerouting now.
The alignment looks good on grid 7.
Confirmed. The bolts are securing now.
Module secured and connections verified.
Confirmed. Status nominal.
Make sure that bundle is secured every 12 inches.
Roger that. Just finishing this section now.
We need to reroute this yellow cluster based on the updated schematic.
Okay, I see the change on the tablet. I'll adjust the run immediately.
We have 100% on the flight software.
Confirmed. Disconnecting now.
We need to verify the alignment on the main injector before proceeding.
I agree. The sensor readings are slightly off nominal.
thrust structure is secure. We are all clear.
We are officially clear for the next phase. Well done.
It looks incredible, totally within spec.
Check the weld integrity on the main injector.
Looks good from here. Thermal stabilization is green.
Control, we are aligned. Proceeding with integration sequence.
Copy that. Stage 2 alignment confirmed.
We have full alignment on the forward skirts.
Copy that. Proceeding with securing clamps.
Roger that. Coming down slow. We have green indicators across the board. Thumbs up on my side.
We are clear for the final descent. Watch the alignment on section 4.
Copy that. Aligning now. The load is secure.
Alignment confirmed on the starboard side.
Copy that. Engaging automated locks. Pressure stabilizing.
Are the sensor readings finalized?
Yes, everything is within tolerance for the stack.
If we adjust the calibration here, the throughput increases by 12%.
And the energy consumption remains stable.
The integration looks successful.
The integration sequence looks good here.
Yes, but we need to monitor the throughput on the robotic arms closely this afternoon.
Yeah.
Waveform analysis shows optimal regulation after the adjustment.
Confirmed. The system is fully calibrated.
We're seeing stable output across all 3 phases now.
Excellent. The adjustment to the control parameters was successful.
Minus 10 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 3, 2, 1. Ignition. Stage separation.
Pressure decreasing in the main engines.
Confirm separation. We are go for orbit.
Everything is well within the parameters. I'm satisfied with the results.
Me too. It meets all the requirements.
Everything is within tolerance according to the tablet.
Excellent. I'm satisfied. We can sign off on this.
Ensure all forward restraints are tight. Verify green on the panel.
All restraints secured. Pressure is nominal. We are clear to move.
The thermal shielding on section 4 seems degraded.
The laser scan confirms microfractures. We need a closer look at the engine manifold next.
Look at the discoloration on this seam.
We're getting an elevated reading.
Confirmed.
The structural integrity holds at T plus 300.
Cross-reference the heat shield data with the re-entry profile.